So, I mean, we're about at the peak of hurricane season. That's September 10th. So this should be when most of our activity is. Statistically speaking, that's the case. And yeah, we have another one out there, a really strong storm for being that far out in the Atlantic. We don't normally see that. That's what has kind of our eyes popping a little bit. Storms always are moving from east to west. They always kind of want to pull to the north, but they have this thing called a Bermuda high. It's this area of high pressure to the north of it, and that keeps on blocking this storm from moving towards the north like it would like to do. You got to have a little weakness in that high, which is kind of a low area of low pressure that comes in and counteracts that. Whether or not that happens or when that happens determines how this storm pulls off towards the north. Statistically also, we would think these storms would stay out to sea and don't impact the U.S., but our models have not been able to get a very good handle of it. So in the short term meaning say next 5 days, pulls off towards the west, I think kind of probably moving to the north of the Lesser Antilles. That yellow cone there, that's the official cone from the National Hurricane Center. Then what happens is what we are not really sure of yet. We'll probably have a better idea, I would say by Monday or Tuesday, of what exactly, at least get that cone more narrowed down. Does it go towards the southeast, say towards Florida or into the Carolinas, or go out to sea? And hopefully it goes out to sea. But I will tell you, we're probably maybe 7 to 10 days away if it impacted the U.S., so we have plenty of time to watch it. It also means plenty of time to prepare, and this would be probably the good weekend to do so across parts of the East Coast. Guys.